Hey everybody, I have some really good news from the courts. For months, Donald Trump has been turning the Justice Department into his personal law firm by stacking it with partisan loyalists. But yesterday, a federal appeals court found that Trump is breaking the law, and it actually disqualified one of Trump's top prosecutors. I'm Liz Oyer, the former pardon attorney for the Department of Justice. U.S. attorneys are the top federal prosecutors in the country. The president gets to nominate U.S. attorneys, but then the Senate has to confirm those nominees before they can take office. Trump has been nominating U.S. attorneys on the basis of loyalty rather than actual job qualifications, and many of his nominees are stunningly unqualified, so the Senate has refused to confirm them. Rather than finding qualified candidates, Trump and his Attorney General, Pam Bondi, have essentially decided to ignore the Senate. They're using a series of questionable legal maneuvers to install Trump's preferred candidates without seeking Senate approval. Yesterday, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, which includes Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware, ruled that Trump cannot do this. The court found that Trump is clearly breaking the law. The court actually disqualified Trump's U.S. Attorney for New Jersey, Alina Habba, meaning she cannot continue to serve. This is good news because Habba is totally unqualified. She was a member of Trump's golf club who had no criminal law experience whatsoever. But this ruling is actually about much more than Alina Habba. It's a big deal because it's the first ruling from an appellate court on the broader issue of how Trump is appointing U.S. attorneys across the country. It's likely to be influential around the country where at least 4 other U.S. attorneys are being challenged. So far, the lower courts have unanimously agreed that Trump's appointments are illegal. One of those other U.S. attorneys being challenged is Lindsay Halligan, the insurance lawyer appointed to prosecute James Comey and Letitia James. Last week, a lower court ruled that her appointment was illegal. There's been no appeal yet in that case, but the decision in the Habba case bodes well for the outcome there. I'll keep you posted.